Okay, good morning, everyone across the world in current time, in future time and space. So we're here at Larson Training Centers in Las Vegas at our Google Apps class. Today we're going to do some Gmail, but I want to again acknowledge that yesterday, Sunday morning, I received an email from Chris Anderson of TED, which we talked about. Inspiring and encouraging us in the use of TED in what we do in helping to change the narrative and nature of prison. So that was kind of cool. Now today we're going to finish up making sure we know how to get Gmail configured for other accounts. Because the first job you have where they give you an email account, you're going to want to get it set up on your Gmail so that from your Gmail account, you can send emails from that business. So if Safira gets an account from 7-Eleven, she wants to be able to go onto her Gmail account, log onto her Gmail account, but send from her 7-Eleven account. And it's a little bit tricky. So we're going to go through it slowly. And how far have you gotten, Phyllis? Okay, the last one. So everybody please go into Gmail. How do we get to Gmail? Theo?
Go to your 9th Street.
Perfect, exactly, okay. Then we want to go to settings. So how do we do that, Robert?
Go to the tool right there.
Tool.
Go to the gear.
Gear. Are you trying to say gear?
Gear, right.
Okay, because it hurts my ears when you say it. Okay, go to the gear, then what?
Then you scroll down to settings.
Then we go to settings, perfect. Then what?
Then you click on settings.
Uh-huh.
Then you go to your, that should open you up to your settings.
Okay, so I'm clicking on the 9 square grid. I'm going to Gmail. I'll get this set up over here. Hangout.
You stroll down the signature.
No, you go to your account. You go to account and import.
Red. Right. Okay, we're not doing signature right now.
Stroll down.
Okay, so you see that I'm on my Gmail, and then I'm going to click the gear and click on settings.
Then you go to your account
Setting.
and import.
You already clicked on it.
Okay, so I'm there. Now I'm going to click on accounts and import. Okay, so when I do that,
That's up there to the top.
it's up on the top here.
So you say account and
It's in
import.
blue.
Click on it.
Now, we're going to the section that says send mail ads.
I see that.
Okay, send mail ads.
Hit that.
Now,
No.
how many people have more than one email in there? You do?
I got
it, Gladys.
I got 2.
Okay, what do you have?
I got Dwayne Floyd Larson, then I got Dwayne Floyd and Larson Gladiators.
Okay,
I got my LTC one.
okay, you have your LTC one.
Yeah, I got the Larson
Larson
Gladiators.
Gladius?
Yeah,
Okay, so you have 2.
I got 2.
What are the ones you have?
I have Robert Bigham, LTCB, and then I have Robert Bigham,
Zach.
Gmail, then I have Gladys.
Yes. Well, they got mailed at the end of last week, so, and they go bulk mail. So give it a day, because today is a holiday. Okay, and they don't deliver on, the mail doesn't deliver on Sunday. Okay. Okay, well, did you get one last month? Okay, well then it'll come. Okay, it'll come. You're perfect, true. No, I see. Well, okay, so Bobby, thank you very much for calling. Expect it in the mail tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, I don't know. That book mail might be a little bit behind. But thank you very much. Bye now. Okay. See what happens when the printer doesn't get their stuff done. People start calling saying, "Where's my magazine?" That's a good song, right? That means it's there. Okay, so now, if you have one, you don't need to do this, okay? So Tom, you do.
I have one on there.
You do need to do this.
Yes.
Okay. You only have one,
Yes.
one,
I have two, but I think you want me to do the other one.
okay?
Yeah, I put mine. She broke my phone, but it didn't want me to do that one, so I already deleted it.
I got two, but I don't have the
That's okay. You only need to have two. So Dwayne is the only guy, Dwayne and Robert both have this from before. So that's why Dwayne
Couldn't get in.
showed up. And does it say it's verified?
Say verified.
Okay.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, so for everyone else, here's what we do. Down below your second one, it says add another email address you own. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Click on that.
Click on that. And a yellow box is going to open.
Right.
Okay. Now, name is your name,
Got that.
however you want it to appear to people. Email address. So your email address should be Michael. Yours is Michael at Chowtuti. Oops. This is Ed. Okay, great. We'll see you then. Thank you, bye.
Frankie, what that mean?
Okay, so email address should be your name,
I'm already good.
at Larson dot, no, dash, Gladius.com, except for Tom and Rachel.
And Gina.
What's Gina? Oh, yeah. And Gina's is your first name dot last name. Okay, so for Rachel and Tom, it's at Chowtuti Publishing.com. Okay,
It's our name and then after.
your name at Chowtuti and leave the box checked where it says treat as an alias. Okay,
So I put that for, Gmail address, I put,
not Gmail address, email address.
yeah, email address, I put theodorelawson.gladius.com.
No, Theodore at Larson-Gladius.com.
Theodore.
About the 88, you do that in there?
No, this is the password. This is just at Larson-Gladius.com.
Okay, Theodore at,
Okay, I can go next to that.
No, let's wait for everyone.
Theodore at, I got that.
Larson-Gladius.com. Okay, so Robert, you don't need to do this because yours is already set up. Kylan, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, Dwayne, you don't need to do it. Theodore, you have it?
Yeah, I'm trying to
Tom,
find a hyphen,
you have
I'm trying
it?
to find a
Gina?
hyphen thing. Now, which one's the hyphen?
Hyphen is the dash that's up here.
Yes. Right there. Just like that.
Yeah. Huh?
Can you close the door?
Gladius.com.
Go ahead, close it.
Just wanted to ask Courtney.
That should have been closed an hour ago.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so Gina, you have yours. Michael has his.
Yep.
Ernie, you don't need to do this. Okay. Now we go to next step.
Go to next step. Click on next step.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, here is the important thing. So what you need to do is this should now say SMTP dot 1and1.com.
That for everybody?
Yep.
STP.
SMTP,
That's the server box.
SMTP dot chow to or dot 1and1publishing.com.
So you raised there what I got in here?
Yeah, after the SMTP part and the dot.
Oh, so we should change what's in there?
Yeah.
One-on-one.com or
Yeah, .com.
not publishing.com?
1and1.com. So this is telling Gmail where to send this email through. Because this is a separate email.
Oh,
So it needs to know, well, where am I supposed to send this through?
what did happen?
And then it's port 25, not 587. Over on the next box over next to that says port. Change it to 25. Okay, so Kylan, are you good?
Yeah, no,
Rachel? Okay, Gina, Tom? Okay. Next, where it says username, that is your email account. So once again, you put in whatever it is, your name. So 1, 2, 3. You put in whatever your email address is, because this is enabling Gmail to log on to your separate account.
Email. I got you.
So username is your Gmail account. It's not your name. It's Theodore@Larson-Gladius.com.
Right there.
Yeah, yeah. You know, add,
And mine's at Chowtootie.
Yeah,
you know, do it too.
but yours might be Thomas.R because we have Ward.
This is a Theodore.
I think his was set up before that.
So I need
So-
to put in a name and I put T. Ross. So they know him out.
You said Theodore@Larson.
This box here, your username is your email account. It's not a name. You have to type in the whole email account. So
Let me make sure.
look for Tom Ross.
It's supposed to be you don't supposed to be Theodore dot.
You sure? I thought he said
No. Theodore dot at.
Theodore dot.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tom,
Uh-huh.
yours is Thomas at Chowtuti Publishing.
Zero dot, okay, then
At,
at,
you know what the ad is, right?
yeah, I got that.
Okay.
At Lawson,
Larson,
Oh, wait a second.
no?
Who's that?
He came in before,
Oh, yeah.
At Lawson, what?
I put
Larson,
T.
Larson.
Ross.
Yeah,
that slash, hit that slash thing.
There is no T. Ross.
Oh, T-Ross?
yeah, I got it.
Gladius,
.com.
Yes.
.com.
Yes.
G, oh yeah, George, yeah, put your G.
is it just
I was-
spelled just like it sounds, R
Ross, Ross Nagel.
Nagel? Wow. I thought it would
I
have
don't know
like
how
a
people
funny
have-
bouncy.
People have a hard time reading it. I don't know why. It's just.
And you know what's funny is my last name, everybody always wants to
Okay,
put,
so hold on a second.
I wasn't
Rachel, hold on, please. Tom, what is your email? LTCLB.Thomas.
Thomas,
Dot,
62915.
okay. So once again, so that everybody knows, the box that says username is not your username, it's your email account. It's your email address. So Tom, your email address is thomas@chowtutipublishing.com. That's what should go in that box. Your password is capital C, capital T.
Got yours like that.
Yeah, I saw it tell you put a G there, but I wasn't for sure, cause mine had my first.
Okay, so for Phyllis, what email, or what, for Rachel, it's the same thing, right? Capital C, capital T? Okay. So for Tom and Rachel, your password is ct.publishing88. Okay? So where it says password, that's what you put in for the password. So username for you, Tom, would be Thomas at chowtutipublishing.com.
Right.
And Phyllis, Rachel's is rachel@chowtutipublishing.com.
yes.
Okay? That is your username.
Mine just need to enter and verify confirmation. Domain.
Yeah, and black up there, Larson, where you see it, capital L.
Okay. Huh?
What password?
There is no space.
What?
Okay, so Kylan, you have it? Okay, don't proceed. Rachel?
Yeah, but I have one, like I had, when I put add account, it said enter and verify confirmation.
Okay, once again, you are ahead of where we are.
So I got G at Larson, dash
Hyphen.
gratis.com.
Okay, that is your username. Your password is larson.gladius88
Okay.
with the capital L.
No, that's your
Capital
password.
L.
Yeah.
Capital L.
Okay, that's the, so for Gina and Michael, the password is larson.gladius88.
Okay.
For Tom and Rachel, it's ct.publishing88. If we go through this methodically and slowly, what isn't going to happen is people aren't going to say it didn't work. Because the reason it doesn't work is you did something wrong. I can promise you it's not because Google screwed up. It's not because the internet didn't work. Okay, it's because something You made a mistake somewhere, you put in a space, you forgot a period, you did whatever. So on things like this, when you're doing stuff like this at work, the thing is to go slow and do it right the first time.
Got it. Larson, God, Gladys, 88. Wait a minute. Larson, God, Gladys, 88. Yeah, that's it.
Well, we the Italians did again.
Say, we the Italians do it again.
Yeah, we the Italians.
What they do now.
What the Italians do? Again.
Look at their company.
Oh.
Very much like our colors.
They copy again.
And that's leaving Italian.
Okay? You've got the sky, they have buildings. Last time they had a ocean scene. Now it's a street. Okay. So, does everybody have that?
Yeah, password.
Double check one more time. smtp.oneandone.com, port 25. Your username is your email account.
Right.
Okay.
Got it.
Password is either this or this.
Right, got it.
Okay. Now you want to click the button that says add account.
Add account. Click the button. They say mine, I done did something wrong. It say, it done failed.
Okay. So if you did something wrong, it's going to come back with an error message.
Yeah, that's what it did.
Do you want Google Chrome to save your password for this site?
That's a different thing. You can say yes or no on that. I always say no. But if you did it right, it's going to ask you to verify. Okay, so don't click verify yet. If you haven't done it, don't do it yet. Okay, we want to make sure everybody is at this part. Now, when you go to your new job, they're not going to say smtp1and1.com. They're going to tell you whatever theirs is. And it might not be port 25. But where it says username, that will always be your email account, and your password is the password that they gave you for your email. Because what's happening is right now, this little step right here, Gmail is going to log on as you to that other account. Okay? So when you type an email as another account and you hit send, what Gmail is going to do is it's going to go over to that other email account, open it up, add an email there, and send it from there. It's going to automate that process. That's what it's doing. But what it has to know is, what is your username? In other words, your email account. What is your password? So that's what this step is. It's enabling Gmail to log into your other email account to be able to send. Okay, so Rachel, are you at the verify stage?
Yes.
Okay, so click verify, Tom, click verify, Gina, click verify. Kylan, are you at the verify?
Mine
Okay.
says, I got a red message that says confirmation code, but please try again.
Okay, so you're again ahead because you tried to put in your verification code and you made a mistake.
No, I didn't put no verification.
Oh, okay.
I just clicked
okay.
verify like you asked.
All right. Okay. So now you need to go to your Gmail account. So just go back, click the email, your Gmail below it, and go to your inbox.
So where it says verify, do I have to put enter and verify the confirmation code?
Well, now you need to get the confirmation code. Okay, so go to your Gmail account, go to your inbox.
I'm right here.
Go to your
Did
inbox.
you verify?
I don't know what to do about it.
Enter.
What are you trying to do? Did
I don't
you
know
just
about
send
your
yours out?
verification code right there.
So I'm right here at the, verification code.
Is that space 1? All right, so we'll come back to that. Now, go to your email. So you're gonna go here. Okay, so now you have a message that says Gmail team. Gmail confirmation. Now there's a code number in there. You don't need to write it down. You can just select it. And you don't want to get a space in front of it. You just want to select the number. Okay, and then you right click, copy. You go back to that box. Okay. If you can't go back to it, there's a blue link below it. Okay, or you can just click the link below. If you don't want to put in the number, because you don't do it right, go to where it says Gmail team, just click on it. You don't have to copy it, just click on that link. And then what does it say, Theodore?
It say, confirm. It say, click here to return to your Gmail account.
Okay. Okay, confirm. Okay, confirmation success. Okay.
I don't see the code.
You should go to the Gmail line.
No,
One of these you click on.
I put that one in.
What now? You click on that link. I don't know which one it is.
Is that what's next?
I got mine. Hey, click on which one on links. You click on. You don't need to copy this. You see, you click on the link.
You got it stuck it in.
Click on it. What link? Oh, yeah, that's the one. Okay, then click there on confirm.
Let me do one thing.
So I'm getting ahead of
Okay,
myself.
go ahead, no, click confirm. Success.
Okay, Gmail user will not be allowed to send
Let's see,
mail
success.
to Sanders at larsonladies.com.
What's that right there? So, yeah.
Bingo.
Then he went to, what deal? Okay, you right there.
It's on the same.
Okay, yeah. Got it? You are cool.
I don't know.
Success, confirm success.
Confirmation success.
Okay.
Okay, so who's had success so far?
I have
Okay.
He got to confirm success.
confirmation
Make sure,
success.
make sure that. Confirmation success.
Yeah.
So you went to what? She got,
Is there a difference between confirmed success and success?
okay, I can look at you.
Because his says confirmed, mine says success.
Success. Alright. I think you might have this your Gmail. Not for sure.
That's why I don't see.
I ain't for sure. I think you have to go to your Gmail.
I'll go with the Gmail to see. There it is. Here's my Gmail. Sure about it.
That's on. Here it is.
Just sign it.
See what your Gmail confirmed something.
That's the same thing that I got.
Okay. Oh, okay, good, well. That's direct.
What is this?
Gmail
What
confirmed.
does it say down here?
In there.
Type that in.
So it worked. I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, leave it right there.
So,
Yeah, leave it right there. I don't want to get ahead of myself and say something wrong. Tom, you got yours on?
Well, it's the issue of that. It's in the.
So go to your-
The very first part, it said to put whatever you need.
So that's the issue on your.
Okay.
Who?
No, I know.
I think I got it right.
You think? Do
So, you good?
Well, the way you check, okay, so the way to check is go into your Gmail, go to settings, go to accounts. Okay, so no. Okay, so let's do it again, because see here,
The G.
you don't
I'm not
have,
sending
you
his
only have your
verification code.
LTCLB.
Yeah, everything went through, but it's not sending the verification.
Is it saying Colin without the dark hair?
He said, go back to the Gmail, go back to the settings, then go back to your account, then you see where you made a mistake at, everything is, done wrote in right.
Okay, so do it again. So
Okay.
do Gina.
Yeah, everything's right.
@Shawtree Publishing.
Kylan.K.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Theodore is
he
good. How are you?
He has Kylan.K.
The very first step, you said to put that name in, so I did, and then I changed the second time.
So T Ross, you gotta delete that. Because your account is not T Ross.
Well, I go in here to make it like what you did, so it was a mistake.
I see what you make your own step.
Okay, let's delete that one.
Oh, no hyphen.
It has.
I'll do it again.
Larson, the capital L. and
Because everything went through and then it just went
Lighting station. Trees. And
right.
then next step.
I'll just, yeah.
Oh, and then send me the verification code and everything will be there properly.
Excuse me, Director.
Is it Highland.K? It's not Highland.K, right? It is?
It is,
How come?
Larson,
because I did all of them with the period.
Gladys.
but
Or
that's
you did all of them now?
yeah, it's larsongladys.com.
I've been doing, let's see.
At larson-gladys.com. And then next step, let's see if it looks that. Okay. And then 425.
Lawson, see, that's your password though. The
Yeah,
Lawson,
okay, the password is gonna be the Larson
yeah,
Gladys.
that's your
88.
password.
Let's see if it'll take it now. It says username. I still need to put in the whole rest of my email.
Yeah.
So it's gina.sanders at
Password.
Larson
do all that.
Gladys.
Now, so mine, I got Dwayne Ford dot F.
Larson Gladys.
This is your email.
So it's not,
And then the password. is the same.
Yeah, I think you should go Gina dot
See if you go-
S at,
Sandy, she can make them.
you know, you put it, Gina dot S. Okay, put down.
No, yours is Gina.Sanders.
Oh, okay, well, I didn't know.
Yours is done.
No,
No, it's not, Phil. It's not on
Is
there.
that correct?
no, she did something. She had success,
This is on here, Director.
well, you've got to get the email. There's no confirmation.
Yeah, this is what everything else.
STP, public 101.
Figure it out.
Should we say the STP at 1 and 1?
So
STP
change it from Larson Gladys.
No way.
SMTP, and
dot,
then dot,
Yeah.
1, and 1.
.com.
So that,
.com.
enter your password.
Highland.K, where's?
Hey, see that? Hey. Capital L now. Oh, erase all of them, start all over. Start all over.
7215.
72715. It was wrong. I heard.
Okay, there we go.
7215. Kyle got 7215.
You got it again?
Out of count.
So I copied the confirmation code that I was issued, right? And then I put it in here. And so there's
Okay, so that's why Kyle is.
Oh, maybe, oh, I did it right.
See, now I've got too many numbers on.
Now,
It's okay.
Okay, so you check your email.
I'm checking email.
Okay, and that's not gonna go away. Okay, then.
She made it. Okay, so Kylan is done.
Over here.
I'm gonna do yours last, Phil. So Gina, are you still having problems?
Yes.
No, we'll have, give me a minute.
Oh, Gmail. You don't need to copy, no,
It wouldn't be in my inbox.
no, you don't need it to go to that line. You don't need to copy, you don't need to copy that number. You don't need to copy that number. You said you hit that line.
I have another one now. It worked.
Yeah, it worked.
Okay, so
Email
Gina, good.
confirmation on.
Gina's is good.
Let's copy this.
Miracle.
Gina.
No, you can hit this line. You can hit this line.
I know,
You
yeah.
can?
I think, yes. It says, I have two of them showing up.
Okay,
Yep.
I just don't
does
know.
it show that it's verified?
Okay.
Did you get the
Confirmation.
confirmation
Oh, no.
success?
It says confirmation disallowed.
What's that?
Please confirm disallowing.
I don't know which one you say.
Click
Okay,
the return.
so
No,
ltclv.gina.5415.
See, we should have done it my way.
okay, but then, when you hit the line, you say you got to
Go to your email. Go to your email.
We got it.
I'm not gonna write anything else down.
Yeah,
I'll make a
fine.
middle note that I
Okay,
can't
That's
remember.
incorrect.
Okay, so Gina, what is your email? Your
Let's get this
LTCLV?
thing out of here.
LTCLV 5415. The regular one?
Is that it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing that's happening.
Okay, does Gina have hers?
Hold on one second, we're working on it. I don't know why.
He did it. That's how he did it.
Let me see this. Let's see what this is. I don't know why.
That was a confirmation code from the
From your
second.
email.
Is it a new confirmation code or old confirmation code?
The one she just got.
Okay, so did you click on the link below it?
We did both, yeah.
This was the last one at the bottom, three of them, right?
Well,
Three
Let's
links,
see.
No.
three links.
Make sure.
or there's one that's very long,
This one?
like 3 long.
Lose one, which is a sponsor.
Yeah, we put one more.
Oh, that's there. Oh, bad confirmation. What is this thing? Okay.
Okay, we'll talk about that. Let's just focus on it.
16 minutes ago.
Okay, still us.
He
Yes.
was on the. Oh, all right.
There you go. Okay. So you should be. She's good.
Thanks. All right, so now Phyllis.
All you have to do is hit the link.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Team, everybody. Team, we clean up my.
Okay, so we have, Tom, are you good or no?
Anxiety.
Yours done? Okay, now, if you have yours done, go back and do your signature for that email.
Uh-oh.
So go to your signature, go back into settings,
Go back into settings.
scroll down from the front page to where it has signature.
Go back to settings.
So I do, go back, oh, wait.
Scroll down, say,
Do you wanna have that one in this copy?
So I go back to my 9 straight G, go back to Gmail.
So you want to
Okay,
add the
right?
signature to your professional account, not your LTC. So you'll have a white box, you click in it, and it'll have your other one.
Oh, so as soon as you click on the new email,
Here?
put it in the same.
That's where you have to paste in. So you can go to your other one, copy it, and paste it into here.
So, let me get rid of this one then. Let me get rid of that.
Place it in here.
Which one you talking about?
Click on this right here.
And,
But which one is
The
it?
one you just did.
Lost from Landy, I got my
That's
old
like
one.
where it says.
And I get rid of that one.
Okay, so get rid of the LTC one, huh?
Don't
Well,
delete
I
it, it'll just disappear and you put it in the same box.
So you just
Okay.
click on it, put your other one on?
How do I do
Yeah,
that?
it'll pop up in blank.
Yeah, well, there's
Go
no.
back to setting.
No,
no,
I want
no,
to delete
no.
it, but you put in your other one, right? Okay.
Lost it, I'm talking about. I went back to. Go to your gear. That's my gear.
Go, click on your gear.
Go to settings. Now, I'm gonna see. Hold up. Let me see where you at. Okay, hold up. Where you at? Scroll up. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Where's the signature at? Signature. Right in the right one. Okay, you gotta find the signature. Keep on, till you see the signature. There you go, right here. Keep on going up. Keep on going up. Keep on going up.
I'm
Okay,
trying,
signature.
what I'm doing is right, but it doesn't.
Where you say signature at? Okay, right there. That's your signature right here. Still awesome. Okay, now click right here. Yeah. Now you wanna put that one in.
So when I.
Wait. Oh, no, you want to put your new one in, this one. Click on it. No, that's the one you want in. And where that go? Huh? Where do that go?
That you in?
Oh, me in?
Yeah, that's where we at now.
Oh, Theodore G. Ed Lawson.
Yeah, put this in here.
Galleries.
So Phyllis, you're going to
That's my new one.
Phyllis, W. Chuck.
So we getting rid of the LTC, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
We're getting rid of that thing.
Yeah.
You always gotta save changes, but my save changes it isn't lit up down at the bottom, so.
I'm,
Phyllis, your email is what?
So down here, you're supposed to save changes.
No.
I already did. I've done it.
You did that
Did
too?
that, yeah. But you're always supposed to go down here and save changes, and it's not lit up.
Right.
That's not lit up. down
Tom
here.
is absolutely right. You need to make sure you save changes.
But the save changes.
Okay, go down to the bottom.
Go where?
You say,
Yeah, I went up here and changed the signature.
Go down where?
go down to the bottom, say save changes.
But first, you need to make changes in order to save them.
It was Thomas right here, and now
You gotta put it there.
it is there.
Okay, say save changes.
It was this, it was that. Okay, change it to that.
Well, what I,
And
You
then I go,
didn't make a change, you're just.
Oh, we ain't making no changes.
You didn't, no, you are. What I'm saying is you didn't put a signature in that box yet.
see, she wants
Once
something
you
in
put-
here. See where it says plain text?
Yeah.
She wants us to put something.
what's in plain
Once you put
text?
something in the box, then it'll light up.
What you want to put in plain text?
Your signature, the one at, Chelsea one.
So I don't,
this,
Come here for a minute. I need.
Put this in it.
Wait, endorse it.
this, just highlight it.
No, you need to, you get your signature, you copy his signature and change to your name and all that. Okay, so go from email,
There you go.
yeah, in the other account,
So I gotta get out of here, huh?
go to inbox. Go to any kind of, something you got from your bottom. Something that has a signature on it,
Let's see. One,
the directors.
okay. Well, this is from him.
Okay, Phyllis, so you should be set up. Okay. Now, has everybody got their signatures done?
I
No,
think so.
no. So I had to change this one. Wait,
So you don't have a signature yet, so you need to go into your inbox. An email from me.
Let me go to my inbox.
Yeah, those are-
Okay, we can go to our inbox.
Tom, you can send me something with this stuff on it?
Yeah, because I'm going into his and it's not, nothing's on the bottom. See?
No, I know what you're saying.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm completely
No. That's the disclaimer language?
And isn't it your name, your
Right.
phone?
Okay, good. If I go into my inbox, what I'm looking for.
It's on your signature from your last one. You have another one.
I should have it on my other one.
You gonna send it to me?
You want to find?
I know, I have to look it
I'm gonna send you the
up. There's a disclaimer.
Thomas, I'm sending you something.
Okay.
Because mine's the exact same.
Okay.
Just change your name on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I have to send you one
You want me to send one?
with my signature,
We'll have
somebody's
has
signature.
mine.
Okay, yeah.
Director, I need you there.
What?
we got to, so
You
you
should get rid of
said
this.
something?
Okay, where am
No,
I?
you don't get rid of
Yeah, do you have them in there?
What?
Refresh your screen.
Huh?
Refresh.
L5?
Okay, that.
it. So that doesn't have the whole.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Huh?
Now,
Send as she said.
now recipient agrees.
There it just popped up. Gotta see that shit.
All right, so what you do is copy this
Um,
now. So what your settings.
I do.
Let's go to.
How come I don't have directors?
Now, change backspace and put your name there.
Forward.
Only backspace the whole name.
Capital.
No, just the capital first initial.
Your other, which is blank, right?
Uh-huh.
Paste that in there.
Oh, okay. That's what you're talking about.
Okay, that's it?
Then you go to the bottom and save.
Okay, those are supposed to be highlight, lit up or something, what Tom was saying? Okay, please wait, okay.
If
Thank
it's, no, it's not supposed to be lit up, the thing is. If you have nothing to save, it's not gonna be dark, it's gonna be light.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So I put save now, sir?
Yeah.
Put right here and put save changes,
Yeah,
click there.
okay, now let's go check it.
Well, you
Now,
set
you
it.
go down the
Yeah.
bottom. Can you save change?
Now, just click on the gear.
Yeah, I got my open.
Now, where's the settings? There you go. Now go on the settings, good. Scroll down. Okay, now wait.
You know what, I'm gonna put that in.
So click here. Yeah, in that box. Let's check this one. Click. Good. You got it. Perfect.
Okay,
Okay, Kylan, how are you doing? You have your signature saved?
So-
Okay, Rachel? That says Chow Chuti.
So when you clicked up here, so do I need to click right back up here and put like he did?
Oh, we could, you
So
could.
mine got LTC.
Put your.
We have it on both.
On both, now how do I have to check both?
Well, here's this one. Now go down and check that one.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
How come I don't have you though?
Because you, I don't know, but it doesn't matter.
All right, okay,
I would wanna have you.
Signature say Chelsea.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
I see what you did.
I have to change this.
Take the Larson out?
Yes, exactly.
If you want something.
So go back to your other one. Scroll down. Your signature. That one, it's the- scroll down.
Take the Larson.
Now, you're too far down.
Oh, really?
Not that box.
Inner.
Check your other one.
Yeah, that one's.
Or you're already on the Chow Chuti. I already see it's not.
That's why.
Go to the one.
You said to take the Larson stuff out.
So this one, she changed, right?
Copy that.
Where does it say Larson, Phyllis?
And,
Yeah, the picture.
the email.
Let me see where you at. Put your,
You can just give
your,
your phone number and stuff,
got the
account.
picture down there.
Scroll down.
Yeah,
Tell
like
me your
this.
phone number and stuff.
See, don't got the, see this? Put your foot out
Let's see
there.
yours, Kylan.
How did yours come out like
Yeah,
that?
that's awesome. I just
Okay,
stuff like
is that on your Larson Gladius? Or is that on- Okay, great.
Look at Theo, see?
Okay, now let's check one more thing, everyone. Let's go
She didn't need
to
that.
account.
See, okay.
She needs you.
All right, I'll do that.
Oh, so
I'll do that. I got it.
okay.
Thanks.
Okay, now for everyone else, let's do one more thing. Let's go back into settings,
Go back into.
go back into account. Robert, I want you to do this too, to check to verify.
Okay, go back to settings.
Go back to account.
Go to settings. Go to settings. Go back to your account.
Go back to where it says accounts.
Okay. Account import.
Oh, I missed that.
Okay, now, next to your professional account, click where it says make default.
Okay, now do you click on account? No,
No,
no.
you scroll down to where it says accounts, you scroll down here to where it says send mail as.
CML
You find your professional one and you click where it says make default.
CML as.
I don't have
You
that.
go back to the account. That's it.
Go to settings,
Okay, CML as.
go to account, go to send mail as,
Uh-huh.
I am on.
Okay, see right here?
make,
On the right?
and have your professional one make it your default.
See it to the left?
Okay, Robert, is yours default?
Okay, do I click on make default?
Click on make default.
Okay, click on default.
Theo, are you there?
This
No.
now, email?
Why not?
Okay, let's see.
Make default.
Okay, go to your settings.
Yeah, so then it should say
Go to your
default,
settings.
Professional one.
Click there.
So
okay?
it's done. I push default.
Okay.
I click on account and imports. What?
Chow Chuti should be default.
So I click
Have that?
here. Okay. CML as. What does it say CML as at? CML as. Okay, we right here. Right there.
More detail, more detail.
Make default.
Click on make default.
Click on make default.
Click on,
Right on there?
Bill.
I just put my name.
Uh-huh.
click on make default.
You gotta put your, Google Voice number too.
Here.
Right. Click on make default.
Click on make default.
Oh,
I got default.
You know, I didn't know I had a phone number.
Do you have one?
No.
You should have one. When you're making calls, what number are you able to call?
obviously I probably haven't. I just use the computer and call and it works.
But are you logged on as you though?
I see what it's doing.
And that's a different thing we will check later.
Okay, I see what it's doing now.
Okay, so the steps involved in this are you have to go to settings, go to account, go to send as, add another account, follow the directions, but your username is your email account.
I got confused.
Your password is your password. The SMTP has to do with the company's SMTP. You'll probably need to ask somebody. Ours is oneandone.com.
Okay.
And for Gmail, it's port 25.
Okay, yeah.
So-
Dial that down.
And then once again, you put in your username is your email account and the password is the password. You do next. Then when it will send an email, you need to go into your Gmail box, look for an email from Gmail team.
Gmail.
There's a number in there, about a 6-character number, 6-digit number. You can copy and paste that, which I prefer to do. Or below that is a long link that's like 3 lines long. You can just click on that and another box will pop up and you hit OK or confirm and you'll get an email or you'll get a message on your screen that says success confirmed. Then, now you have your account set up to send. Now you go back into settings and now you got to set up your signature for that account. Because once you have more than one account to send from, you get to have different signatures for every email account you have. So you need to set up your signature for your new Gmail account, your new email account. Then once you do that, then here at Larson, you go back into settings, you go back into account, you go back to the send mail as, and you set that new one up as your default if you're going to do that. So for me, my default email is my Larson Training Centers account. That's my default, not my Chowtuti. So, but it should be your professional account. Everybody here should have one professional account.
So it's the Larson Gladiator.
Larson Gladius, that should be your default. So now when you send an email to everyone, who is it going to be from? Rachel.
Rachel at Chowtuti Publishing.
Right. Ernie, who's yours going to be from? Okay. Kylan, who's yours going to be from?
Kylan.k at Larson Gladius.
Okay. Dwayne.
Dwayne.Floyd at LarsonGladiators.com.
Okay. Robert.
Robert. Dot
B.
B. Yeah. RB. Well, B.
Okay. At.
Larson.
Okay. What about yours, Theo?
Theo.G at Larson-Gladiator.
Perfect. Okay. Gina, what's yours?
It's Gina.Sanders at Larson.
Perfect. Tom, yours is
Thomas at
Chowtuti. Okay. Mike.
Michael.A at Larson Gladius.
Perfect. Okay. So we're almost done. So what did we now accomplish? Now, this is the email address you should put on your resume. When you're sending your resume out, this is the email address you're going to use. Where will it end up? Gina, where will an email end up if you have Gina at Larson-Gladius.com? Where will it end up? Yeah, it'll end up in your Gmail account. Okay? Everything's going to end up in your Gmail account. Now, you're not at Casa Grande. You might want to do something, but the most important thing, the email address on your resume should be professional, not a personal one. Because when they're looking at it, when the interviewer or whoever's looking at that, what's their Gmail address? We talked about last week, don't have a goofy personal one, but they're going to see Larson Gladius. Huh, what's that? If they decide to check it, what are they going to find?
That Larson is a training.
Yeah. Oh, cool. This is where she went to school. Oh, well, let me check out the school. Cool. If they do Chowtuti, they're going to go to the Chowtuti community.
That's why I was gonna ask you, since I have, because I have all three now email addresses, which one would be preferable that I should put on my resume?
What are the three?
I have Larson, and then I have the Chattanooga,
That's two.
and then I also have the LTC.
Okay, so we know it's not that because that's
Yeah,
not
I
your
know that.
professional one. So if it's between Larson and Chowtuti, what are you usually doing business as? Yeah, right. Do it the one that you use the most. That's why now, but if you send an email and you want to use a different one, what do? You go to Compose, and where it has your name on the from, if you click on that, it'll give you all of the other email addresses that you have that you can send from. So default means if you don't change it, here's where it's going to go from.
Oh.
So I have 12 emails set attached to my Gmail account. I can send from any one of those 12, meaning the person on the other end of the email will receive an email from me. It might say Edward at Larson Gladius, Edward at Larson Training Centers, Edward at Gladius Business Corp, Edward at Chowtuti Publishing. You can set when you send an email, you can send it from any one of those accounts. If you do nothing and you just hit compose, now it's going to go from your what account? Your professional account, okay? But if for some reason you didn't want it to go from your professional account, you could send it from your other one. So this is just kind of when you have more than one professional account, okay?
Because you told me to send Sherry a text. So I sent Sherry a text under LTCLB.
Yeah,
Now, if I change mine to that professional one you was talking about, she can't send me a text unless it be under the LTCLB.
when you say text, are you trying to say email?
Email, yeah.
Okay. If she sends you a Gmail at your professional account, where will it go?
To the professional account, right?
No, it goes to your regular account.
It'll go to that account.
Okay, LTC.
Everything is going to end up
Okay.
in
That's
your
what I'm making
Gmail.
sure.
That's the beauty of this.
Okay.
So
You
it's a
have-
dummy account, right? We basically have.
It's
it.
an alias.
Okay.
They call it an alias,
Okay.
okay? It used to be called forwarding account,
I was just making sure. I don't understand.
okay? So now it's just an alias,
It's an alias, okay.
but you actually do have another email set up. An alias is kind of like, there's no other person by that name,
Right, it's still
okay?
you.
It's still you. There is actually that other email set up. There is an account, Dwayne.Floyd@Larson.Gladius.
Right,
All this did for you is you don't need to go log on to that account separately.
okay.
You just need to log on to one account. So for me, I have 12 email accounts. I log on to one place. I can see all of my emails. I can send from any of those emails from one account. That is using Gmail in a professional way. Most people don't do that. When you go to work at a new company and you want to move them to the cloud, the first thing is get everybody on a Gmail account. So you go work at Hetzapetza. Hey, boss, we need to issue Gmail accounts to everybody here. Well, wait a second. We want it to say from Hetzapetza. Yeah, I know. That's step 2. First, everybody needs to have a Gmail account. Why? Why does everybody need a Gmail account if you want to move that company to the cloud?
You may want to
Can't
send
get
them.
there without a Gmail account.
Can't get where?
To the cloud. Isn't that-
You can't get to those other apps,
No, right.
okay? We need to give everybody a Gmail account because when we do that, we're now on Calendar, we're now on Voice, we're now on Drive, Docs, we all can access the stuff, Maps, we can now all collaborate and share. He says, yeah, but I want it to say from hetzapetza.com. I know, that's step 2. We just did step 2 today.
That's step 2.
We set up everybody so that they can send and receive from Hetzapetza. So the outside world thinks it's Hetzapetza, but it's really through what? Gmail.
Gmail.
It's really through Gmail. They just think it is because we're using an alias. Internally, in our company, everybody's on Gmail. So we can share calendars, we can share maps, we can share documents on a drive, we can share folders on the drive. We can create spreadsheets and collaborate. We can do all of that Google Plus communities, Google Plus circles. We can do all of that stuff once everybody has a Gmail account.
You know, so you can't, until you have a Gmail, you can't really do Google Plus. Is that how it works, or can you be in it?
You can be invited and it will work through email, but it's not the same. Okay. If you have a Yahoo account or some other account, you should get a Gmail account and do what we just did. Go step 2, be able to send and receive to your other account. So my personal account is where? On what? Yahoo. Okay, I keep my personal on Yahoo. That way I don't get confused. I can just look at what's after the @ sign, because some of my Gmail accounts are Edward Bevilacqua, Edward.Bevilacqua. Some of them are. Come on in. Some of my accounts are Edward.Bevilacqua, and I don't want to have to look at the whole thing. So when I want to send or receive an email, I just look at the back half after the @ sign. And it says yahoo.com. I know then it's a personal email. And so if I want to send somebody a personal email and I'm in Gmail, what do? I go to Compose. It comes up with my default, right? Comes up with my default, which is Larson Training Center. I click on that, and then it shows me all of the other ones, and I choose Yahoo. And then people receive an email from Yahoo. Okay, so I know that's a lot. Let's just keep it very simple. When you have a Gmail account, you have access to the cloud.
We got access to the cloud.
When you go work at a company, if they aren't on Gmail, step 1 is what? We need what? We need to give everybody a Gmail account. Okay. Step 2, good morning. Our guests have arrived. Step 2 is we do what?
Step 2 is get everybody else.
Get their other accounts to send through Gmail. Okay. All right. So I think that's it. We've gone a little bit over our time. Anybody have any questions? Theo?
No.
Just want to.
Yeah.
Address it, so when it's on default, we're sending our messages to our
Your professional account?
And if we were to change it to make default, it would switch it right.
Yeah.
We'd be sending to our LTC. And
Yeah, but you don't want to send,
Nothing.
you don't want your default to be your school account. You want it to be your
Professional.
professional account, right? Okay, great. So Stan, would you like to come up and say something? Yeah, this is the perfect opportunity. So I'm going to introduce Stan Washington, who I met through Catherine Duncan. You go by Duncan, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Catherine Duncan. Catherine is the president of the Ward 5 Chamber of Commerce, among other things. And Catherine, we met indirectly through John Johnson a while ago. And Catherine is helping us get space. She introduced us to Ahern, which we talked about last week, and introduced us to Stan. Stan is with the printing company that I went to see last week. And what else?
The Uber opportunity.
Uber, restaurant.
Yeah.
How many veterans do we have here? Just one? Okay, Keith isn't here. Okay, so we only have 2 vets here. One's only here right now. But so that's what they do. They're here to see what we do, see what it's like. And so why don't we quickly just start with Robert, just introduce yourself.
Hi, Robert. I started training here at Larson 7 weeks ago. It's my 12th week.